Hi everyone, this month you voted for the Poison Projectile and this is what we'll be working on. I already got the version finished in Unreal Engine and Unity, although the Unity version still needs a little bit of work. So the tutorial should be up next week on Patreon, and let me walk you through what we will be creating this month. We're gonna dive into Houdini and we're gonna create a mesh first. As you can see here, this is gonna be a mesh. Then for the trails, we're just gonna create this in Substance Designer. The rest of the textures, I'm just combining various noise textures that you can get from my camera. And for those, as you can see here, there's like tiny little splashes. We're just gonna utilize this mesh and some erosion technique. So let me show you this in motion. Now let's go to Unity. So I've tried to keep them as close as possible in terms of look. I think the Unity version is slightly different, mainly because I couldn't create the noise for some of the trails. I've tried to keep them as close as possible, and for the materials we're using similar or the same techniques in both engines. Right, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, or you can DM me on Patreon or Discord. Thank you so much.